In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Microsoft Teams microphone when it's not working. Whether you're trying to join an important meeting or you simply want to make sure people can actually hear you, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the settings on your computer. Once you're there, look for Privacy and Security and click on it. Now scroll until you find the microphone section. Make sure the toggle for Microsoft Teams is turned on. This allows Teams to access your microphone. While you're here, it's also a good idea to check the camera permissions and make sure Teams is allowed to use that as well. These permission settings help prevent unexpected issues, so don't skip this step. Next, open Microsoft Teams. In the top right corner, click on the three dots and then select Settings from the menu. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Now click on Devices. This is the section that controls all your audio and video equipment inside Teams. Look for the microphone drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to make sure you have selected the same microphone that you're actually using. Sometimes Teams switches to a default device, and that can cause your mic to stop working. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your microphone is properly plugged in. Check that it's not muted, and if you're using a headset, confirm the headset's own microphone switch is turned on. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, try hopping into a test call or clicking the Make a Test Call button inside Teams. After that, you should be able to speak clearly and have your microphone recognized without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to restart Teams if the changes don't apply right away. Taking this extra step ensures everything refreshes properly and keeps your settings updated. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix your Microsoft Teams microphone easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?